Want to send a photo or video that disappears after being viewed once? Here is exactly how to do it on Instagram. I have got Instagram open on both iPhone and Android, so I will walk you through the steps for each. Let's start by opening the messages section. Tap the paper airplane icon near the bottom center of your screen. Now open any chat. I will open a conversation with my other account as example. If you tap the photo icon next to the messages box, it will open your phone's gallery. And any photo you send from here will be a regular photo and not a disappearing ones. To send a disappearing photo or video, you need to tap the camera icon on the left side of the messages box instead. This process works exactly the same on both iPhone and Android. Once the camera opens, take a quick photo or record a short video. After capturing it, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see options like allow replay, keep in chat, and view once. Tap there to switch between them. On some Android phones, the default might be set to view twice. Just tap it to change it to view once. Now hit send and that's it. This photo can only be viewed one time. Once the recipient opens and views it, it's gone for good. They won't be able to see it again. And that's how easy it is to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.